In this video, I want to review the Weed Grabber Remover tool. This is a great item if you have those pesky weeds in the cracks in your driveway or your walkway. It's pretty easy to put together. All you have to do is attach the poles to the bottom blade, and then you're ready to begin weeding. So once you put it together, all you have to do is drag the blade between the cracks, and this will dig up and remove the weeds in the cracks. The wheels make it easy to drag or push, and to be honest, I was super surprised on how well this did with the weeds in my driveway. A couple of nice things I like about this is you don't have to bend over at all in order to get these weeds out. Another thing I like is that it got most of the roots out as well. Another thing I like about it is that the blade is curved and sharp on either side so that you can drag or push. So in case you get stuck in one direction, you can switch it up and go the other direction. Next, after you've gotten all your weeds out, then you can switch over and do the broom handle attachment, and all you have to do is just push your weeds away. I think this is a great item for anyone who needs to get the weeds out of their cracks in their concrete or brick areas. It works really well, and I was thoroughly impressed with how easy it was to get the weeds out. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. I will also have a link for this item in the description. You can also check out another video here, and I will see you over there.